Hello everyone, welcome to Perpetual Tech. My name is Jordan and today I would like to talk to you about my latest purchase. It is a Google Pixel 2 XL. Now I know this is not a new product, it's been out since October of 2017, but it is new to me, so I thought I would do an unboxing video for you. So let's dive in. Alright everybody, so here is the Google Pixel 2 XL. As I said before, this phone was released October of 2017. It has a 6-inch QHD OLED display that has a resolution of 2880 by 1440. USB 3.0 port, has the fingerprint scanner there. That camera is a 12.2 megapixel rear camera, and then the front camera is in 8 megapixel. Now this phone did come in two versions. They have a 64 gig version and a 128 gig version. One thing I don't like about this phone is it does not have a micro SD card slot. So you couldn't add more storage to it if you wanted. It does have a 3,520 milliamp hour battery, which should be sufficient for a day's use. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this SIM card installed, and then we'll get this thing fired up. Alright, so let's see what else was in this box. Here is the manual, and here's a USB 3 Type C to female USB. Then here is a Type C to Type C charge cable, and also another adapter. This one here is for a 3.5 millimeter headset. Here is the charger. That is it. Alright, so let's get this thing plugged in so we can turn it on. Alright, so we got it plugged in now. See if it'll turn on. she's coming to life now. It is now checking for updates. As I said before, this phone does ship with Android 8. Alright, we're going to use a backup just to restore all of my data. Skip that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and set up the fingerprint so I can unlock my phone with that. First off, we have to set a pin. Alright, there we go. That was that easy. Obviously I don't want Google Assistant. Turn off all that junk. There it is. Alright, now it's going to go ahead and install the applications that I had on my previous phone. Go ahead and turn off Wi-Fi. Yeah, anyway, so like I said, this is the Google Pixel 2 XL. Seems to be pretty well built, pretty solid feeling phone. It does have a matte black finish, but this top section here is pretty glossy, so it's going to be a fingerprint magnet. Yeah, there it is. Alright, like it if you like this video, click subscribe button for me, and just let me know what you think. Maybe give me some ideas for some new videos, and I'll keep them coming. Thanks, guys.